Hi friends, here's a story about being on the bus, but instead of the people on the bus, it's the seals on the bus. So do you think it's about animals riding a bus? Let's find out. It's called The Seals on the Bus. The seals on the bus go erp, 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 erp. The seals on the bus go erp, 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 all around the town. The tiger on the bus goes roar, 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 roar. The tiger on the bus goes roar, 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 all around the town. The geese on the bus go honk, 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 honk. The geese on the bus go honk, 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 all around the town. The rabbits on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The rabbits on the bus go up and down, all around the town. The monkeys on the bus go eat, 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 eat. The monkeys on the bus go eat, 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 all around the town. Yikes! The vipers on the bus go The vipers on the bus go all around the town. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 all around the town. He looks like he's sleeping. Uh-oh. The skunks on the bus go The skunks on the bus go all around the town. And the people on the bus go help, 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 help. The people on the bus go help, 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 all around the town. But they all ended up at a party. How fun. Bye, friends.